Navigating the hiring process can be frustrating and tricky. Unless you happen to know the trade secrets of corporate recruiters. I know them. I'm Kat Miller, and this is Dice TV. So, what are these secrets that recruiters hold inside their heads? Interesting. Companies usually hire candidates for their attitude and cultural fit, even if they don't meet the technical requirements. Although they'll tell you not to contact the hiring manager, recruiters expect you to do just that. Recruiters are leery by nature, so they won't attempt to contact a candidate who submits a confidential resume unless they're absolutely desperate. Some recruiters like to evaluate your career progression, so make sure your resume conveys a compelling story from either direction, from top to bottom or bottom to top. Recruiters are inundated with resumes, so they rely on referrals to fill positions and post openings as a last resort. Recruiters are trained to screen out risky candidates, so don't give them any ammunition. Reviewing stale resumes is a waste of time, so move your online resume to the top of the electronic pile by refreshing it every week. Google's made it too easy. Recruiters do checks on candidates online, and they pass their names by current employees before submitting them to the hiring manager. Corporate recruiters don't make hiring decisions, but they do refer the top candidates. So don't underestimate their ability to put you in front of an IT manager. So there you go. Now you know what goes on inside of a recruiter's head. Or rather, what went on inside this former recruiter's former head. I'm Kat Miller. He'll live. This has been Dice TV, and we now return you to your regular desktop.